running on the train line. Where is he going, hon?
Well, there's ongoing repairs of the old ties, wooden ties under the railway.
Yeah, okay.
And see,
Grain train.
actually they're potash.
Oh, I'm wrong. It's a potash train that's used for the potash, to transport the potash, right?
That's right. There's two trains there, one on the other side of it.
Oh, slow down. Imagine. It's long, huh? It's very long, huh? Wow, that's a long one.
Okay, that
They're
truck
transporting where? Where do they transport it?
there, the trucks there means it's an oversized load coming. Look at the size of
Yeah,
it.
okay. Guys, look at that big load that's coming. And here in Canada, they have the first truck to tell you
Pilot
that
trucks, yeah.
that's a pilot truck telling you that there's an overload like this. See that? It's a grain. That's for the grains.
Yeah. Not the potash.
No. See how long train, guys, to transport the potash. Where did they transport it?
It's
know where?
probably going to Vancouver,
Vancouver.
the port of Vancouver, and to be exported
To
to
where?
China,
To China, really?
to Japan, and Russia.
You see the dust there? The dust.
I'm pretty sure that's a vehicle driving on the dusty road.
That's a train. Speaking of the grains. Transporting grains, right, Han? Train for transporting the grains, or it's oil?
That's oil.
Oil, okay, oil. I'm wrong again. That's for oil. I'm always wrong.
Those things.
It's bouncing, sorry guys. Small town of Landberg.
Pretty sure that will be canola field.
Yeah, that's canola. canola, guys.